Hey guys, it's Scam and Callum from Cals. Welcome to our very first vlog. We're gonna start. So yeah, comment. I'm gonna comment that down below. So here we go. We have got Theo playing Splatoon. Alright, say hi, Theo.
Hello.
Alright, so there's that. So we're gonna head to the studio area. First of all, you have not seen her in any videos, but here is our puppy. She's a little
mini golden doodle.
She's a mini golden doodle. She's a little sweetheart.
Is a girl.
She's cute. Well, the only video I think you've seen her in is the Danny and the Invasion of Mr. Candy trailer, where like Callum took a random clip of her. Yeah. But yeah, we're in the studio.
So basically,
we're gonna sit down. Yeah. So we just uploaded a video.
And I didn't upload a video today.
I thought he uploaded a video, but yeah. We'll do the studio tour. So this is the desk where we record our area here. It's pretty much then this big bulletin board. Yeah, so we're gonna head back around. Blackout. So yeah, we're back. We're heading around. Here's the area.
Here's like our area where we usually hang out and talk about reviews.
Yeah, but that's the vlog. Goodbye.